This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on thermodynamics. If interested, please listen. Thermodynamics is the science of energy transfer and its effect on physical properties of substances. It is based upon common experiences which have been formulated into thermodynamic laws. These laws govern the principle of energy conversion. The application of thermodynamic laws and principles are found in notably in steam and nuclear power plants, internal combustion engines, gas turbines, refrigeration, air conditioning, gas dynamics, compressors, chemical process plants, direct energy conversion devices. There are 2 points of view by which behavior of matter can be studied. Macroscopic point of view and macroscopic point of view. Macroscopic is classical thermodynamics. The certain quantity of matter is considered in this case. In microscopic thermodynamics is also called as statistical thermodynamics. Finite of molecules are taken into consideration. There are 3 laws in which thermodynamics is known. First law of thermodynamics is conservation of energy, principle of conservation of energy. It states that energy is neither created nor destroyed, but only gets transferred from one form of energy to another form of energy. Q minus W is equal to delta E. Second law of thermodynamics is given by Kelvin Planck statement. So there is difference in temperature, motive power can be produced, that is work can be produced. Third and final law is Simon law of thermodynamics. It is independent law of nature. It states that it is impossible by any procedure, no matter how idealized, to reduce any system to absolute zero of temperature in finite number of conditions. Temperature bears an important relation to thermodynamics as force versus statics and velocity thus to dynamics. I will give you more information later. Thank you.